I started my job in a factory when I was 18. I was scared to reveal my true identity back then, as I remember hearing my trainer ask if there's a member of third sex in our group. I was afraid I would get discriminated against and that they would see me as the weakest link, and I felt out of place. Now, my day one in teleperformance in 2019 opened a totally different and unexpected world. I was so happy to be accepted. With the support of my awesome mentors and teammates, I embraced my true self. I feel acknowledged. TP made me feel that I belong, that I can be who I really am. Today, I am proud advocate of LGBTQIA+ inclusivity in the workplace, and I will continue to create a safe space for members of our community. I am Sabel, and I am proud to be me, proud to be TP.